there, beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dig deep into the science, sensation, and style behind every product. Today, we're exploring something that promises to make your eyes pop with minimal effort: the Stila Glisten and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Brook. This is a liquid eyeshadow designed to deliver a matte finish with effortless application, claiming a luxuriously smooth laydown. The formula comes in a 0.153 fluots bottle, lightweight and designed for precision, so you can glide it directly onto your lids without needing brushes or fingers if you prefer a clean application. Stila's focus here is all about convenience and wearability, aiming for a product that looks polished yet feels almost weightless on the eyes. In terms of my experience, I found this shadow incredibly easy to use. The liquid consistency spreads smoothly, and the pigmentation in Brook is surprisingly rich for a matte shade. It builds nicely without caking or settling into fine lines. I tried layering it over a primer and on bare skin, and in both scenarios, it stayed put for hours without fading or smudging. One thing to note, because it's a matte liquid, you do need a moment to let it dry, but it blends out gently if you move quickly. I really appreciated how precise the applicator is. It's a simple doe foot style, but it allows for controlled placement, whether you're doing a subtle wash of color or a more dramatic look. On the downside, the small bottle size means if you use it daily or love bold eyes, it could run out quicker than some cream shadows. Also, while matte, it doesn't have the ultra matte flatness some matte enthusiasts expect. It leans slightly towards soft matte, which is beautiful but worth knowing. For value, Stila's Glisten and Glow lands in the mid to high price range, which is justified by the quality of the formula, the longevity, and the ease of use. When I compare it to similar liquid matte eyeshadows from brands like Maybelline or NYX, the smoothness and blendability here feel more premium. Though if you're on a tighter budget, those drugstore alternatives can deliver decent color payoff too, albeit with less refinement. The packaging feels sturdy and travel-friendly, and despite its small size, I've seen no issues with leaks or drying out as long as the cap is tightly closed. Stila has a solid reputation for consistency and customer support, which is reassuring for anyone hesitant about investing in a slightly pricier shadow. Ultimately, this liquid eyeshadow hits a sweet spot for anyone who wants a fuss-free, matte finish that's wearable all day. It's particularly suited to those who appreciate clean, effortless eye looks with minimal tools. My main caveat would be its small volume, so consider whether it fits your usage pattern. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Stila Glisten and Glow in Brook or any other shade, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. The link to grab your own bottle is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.